Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe actions that are habitual, general truths, fixed schedules, and states of being. It is one of the most commonly used tenses in English and follows a straightforward structure. Structure of simple present tense. Affirmative sentences. The structure for affirmative sentences is subject plus base verb, V1 plus object. If the subject is he, she, or it, add or s to the verb. Examples. She reads a book every evening. They work in an office. Negative sentences. The structure for negative sentences is subject plus do, does not plus base verb, V1 plus object. Use does not, doesn't for he, she, it. Use do not, don't for I, you, we, they. Examples. He does not like spicy food. We do not play football on Sundays. Interrogative sentences, questions. The structure for interrogative sentences is do, does plus subject plus base verb, V1 plus object. Examples. Do you speak English? Does she wake up early? Uses of simple present tense. General truths. It is used to express facts or universal truths. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 to guess. Habits and routines. It describes repeated actions or daily activities. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. She goes to the gym twice a week. Fixed schedules. It is used for timetables or planned events. The train leaves at 8 p.m. Our school starts at 9 a.m. Feelings and states. It expresses thoughts, emotions, and states that do not change frequently. He loves chocolate. She believes in hard work. Negative and interrogative examples. It helps to express actions that do not happen and ask questions. He does not watch TV at night. Do you like ice cream? The simple present tense is an essential part of English grammar and is used in everyday conversation. Understanding its structure and usage can help learners communicate effectively.